We are Slagel Family Farm, located here in Fairbury, Illinois. My wife, Leslie, and myself and our 4 children live on the farm here. We're 5th generation farmers, and we run an old-fashioned diversified livestock operation, raising hogs, cattle, sheep, goats, chickens, ducks, rabbit, and turkey. Really focus a lot on quality rather than quantity here, and like I said, just raise a variety of different livestock. Really sets us apart is just our focus on everything from start to finish. So we raise feed for the livestock. The livestock is born and raised right here on the farm. Then following raising the livestock, we own and operate our own USDA processing facility where the livestock is taken to harvested and processed there to order to meet our customer needs. So we really focus a lot on having full control of the product from start to finish. So have a large family here, really focus on doing what we love. We really enjoy being hands-on and taking the product from the farm right to the table.